going to take some cough medicine with my sister. It's right here. I just saw it. Help. Guys, I just saw it. Oh, right there. Go get it. She's taking it first because earlier today I did it. She took all the other things, so yeah. And I'm not usually wearing a jacket, but oh well. It's mine. I'm freezing because we just had Italian ice. I was at freezing. My hair got dark because I did go to hair shop, so. I will hate this. This. Go. Say, call you. Yeah, the dryer's still running. Go. Okay, go. Here. I'm not doing it for you. Do this because I'm uploading it.
Don't leave the kitchen.
Us too?
Well, you can stay and they'll take your head if you want.
Amy.
Oh,
I
gosh,
know, right?
That's Mincy.
Do it.
No, talk like
I know it smells minty.
like shampoo Mincy.
Just do it.
Jump.
Just do it. You can't
See,
do
you
it.
should have said something while we were out. I could have got more.
Yeah, come on. I hate myself. That's our dog barking. Do it.
I got it's on my teeth.
Do it.
Wow.
Yeah. The
Feel
only
like
person she
my-
wanted to keep up to while we were out tonight, Carolyn.
Feel like sour heads. Oh my
Where
gosh.
Carolyn was gonna leave.
I
we
had
didn't.
one yesterday.
Come on. I know, right?
Okay, like this channel, this video if you like my reaction. Oh.
And subscribe to her channel. She will comment on this video, so you can subscribe to her.
If my iPad ever not don't go down.
Just do it. It has taken you 3 minutes and 40 seconds.
Oh gosh. Fine.
Just don't think about it and just do it. That's kind of what I did. And if I can do it faster than her, you better subscribe and give it a big thumbs up.
For me, guys, this is my first time.
I did it faster. I'm gonna upload the video if she sends it to her.
Oh.
Come on. Do it. Come on.
Almost finished.
If it comes on to 5 minutes and you're still waiting to take it, then
Oh gosh.
if she could take it before, she did it before 5 minutes. I can do it before 1. Okay, let's rinse this out because yeah, her germs hasn't been in it. Okay. Here's the sink.
That's bomb.
I know,
That's
right?
Yeah.
Okay. You pour it if you want to. You can pour it in if you want want to. We're actually kind of slouching.
Yeah.
What?
Phil.
And I used to be in Girl Scouts. That's why I'm wearing this shirt.
Building a rapport with one of the leaders of a terrorist group. His cover was blown. They held
I am
him
not
hostage
ready
for
to
7
take
million.
this.
And you said no.
This will be funny.
The decision went all the way to the top, and the answer was clear.
Yes,
We
sis.
don't negotiate with terrorists, and we're not going to let it jeopardize the mission. What about jeopardizing Miles'?
Oh wait, 1 sec.
It was deemed unacceptable, boss. Okay, Chloe.
Phil, finish with that.
If I can do it in one go, like this video, please.
Yeah.
If I don't stop and it's all the way gone
You got
without even a single stop, I
You
have to.
2 minutes. Ooh. 1 minute. Oh yeah.
Okay, so let's do this.
Oh
Without
yeah.
a stop, you have to like it. Oh my goodness. It is very minty. Oh god. I'm literally tearing up. I never cried on camera before. Let's just take this photo thing.
Oh, I know if we were to do that.
This is what it's called. Severe congestion and cough. Whatever congestion means, I don't know. Because I'm only in 8th grade.
Oh, it's going towards the golf. Rolly.
Make sure to like this video if you liked it, and how was our reactions? Were they funny? If they were, then it's your own opinion. I'm not gonna get mad. She's not going to get mad. It's just all for fun. So please like the video if you haven't already, and please give it a big thumbs up. Wait,
Also,
please subscribe and give it a big thumbs up
also,
if you like it.
also, we have a golf, so that's why we taking this.
Yeah, I haven't had a cough in a while, so yeah. Please subscribe. So I'll see you guys in my next video. She might be in it, maybe.
I really don't know.
Sometimes she's in my videos, but mostly she's not. But comment down below if you want her in my next video. Yes or no? Comment down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.